My name is Abhishek Pratap, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sinigma, a 3D printing company. So I'd like to first start off with a story about Amoya, a biomedical engineer at the University of Texas. And this semester, she learned how to use a program called SolidWorks. I think many engineers in the room know what this is. This is a 3D modeling program that allows its user to create anything they imagine. But this kind of software is becoming more accessible to the everyday consumer. For example, Minecraft. Minecraft is a game, but in it, users create very intricate objects using little blocks. And the complexity that these objects can achieve is simply mind-boggling. But back to Amoya. So using this skill that she learned, she wanted to do something special this Christmas. So she designed a Christmas ornament in SolidWorks, and she printed it out on a printer that looks like this. And she was very excited when the part came out because it looked really, really cool. But she also found value in it because she did it herself. And the same kind of value can be seen in the stocks of two major 3D printing companies today. Now, y'all can see those numbers up there, and these are not the percent increases for the past 5 years. Not even the past 3 years. These are the increases for the last year that these 3D printing companies have seen. And that's almost unheard of in any other field. And the number of 3D printing companies that customers can buy are increasing exponentially by the day. So why hasn't 3D printing become ubiquitous? And we here at Sinigma like to call that a problem of accessibility. People don't really see why they need to purchase one if they don't really have access to one. They don't see value in this product. And this accessibility can be split up into 3 different components: ease of use, print time, and cost. And the problem is, you have to pick your poison. So if you go with, I want to make my 3D printer very easy to use, then it's very difficult to optimize on cost and print time, and vice versa for all three vectors. And there are many companies that are working on these 3 vectors, but we decided to focus on print time. And the first reason why is because patents for SLA printers, which is the type of printer that you see up here, have expired earlier in February. And the second reason is because there are some interesting applications that come with time-optimized 3D printing, such as a kiosk machine, where I can just go up to my local supermarket and then pull out my smartphone, which has like an app on it that holds all my 3D objects. Now, I can just pair up my smartphone to this 3D printer via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and then print it right then and there in 7 or 8 minutes and have that object with me, and then I can just take it home. Which means that it's very easy to use because all the customer needs is a smartphone. And it's cost effective because the customer themselves do not actually have to purchase the printer. If they would like to purchase the printer, they can, but in phase 1, it's mostly introducing it into the supermarket stores. However, companies have expressed interest in this technology, and 2 of whom have committed to purchasing once we have a finished product. And so here's a model of our finished printer. And it's going to start at $1,500. You're going to have 5 different color choices, because that's important. You're going to get 7 minutes per cubic foot of print time, if you don't care too much about the resolution. But it can print up to 100 microns of resolution, as you can see, the part that I'm holding in my hand. And this is a team that's helping me do it. And our goal here at Sinigma is to inspire creation. And I encourage y'all to come up to our booth afterward to talk tech or just anything in general. And my name is Abhishek Pratap, and I'm the CEO of Sinigma. And we like to help people create. Thank you.